Hello guys, welcome to another different logo animation. How to create CNN logo motion graphics. Let's start. First, create a new composition and write here CNN logo motion. Set the time 5 seconds, press OK. And now double click, import the CNN logo to center, then press S, scale up the size and lock. The most important, select pen tool, turn off the fill and turn on the stroke, change to white and change the pixel to 10. Let's check. Click here and zoom. Click here. Let's click here, here and here. Finish. Let's control this one. Select the original logo layer. Little bit. Change the opacity and lock again. Select move to and press. Before pressing expand, shape layer option, content, shape, path. Let's control this and let's control this point. Move it up. Select, open the path, stroke, line cup, projection, round it, bevel, round it. The rounded is looking better. Move it up, move it down, and move here and here. Change the cut to butt. Okay, let's go to another part. Select again the pen tool. Okay. Go to shape layer 2, expand the option and go to shape, path, stroke, check. This one to round it. Not bad. Not bad. Looking better, looking good. Move it down. Move it down. Okay, guys. Close, close, and turn off. Let's create what? A new, before creating new layer, let's little bit control this point of logo. Control Z. Need little bit control. Create a new layer of solid right here, background, and select eyedropper, select the original color, press OK, move it down, and select again the first layer, expand, go to add, trim paths, expand trim paths, there is the end, and this option is for the start. Start, go to second one, stopwatch, go to 15 frames, or go to 2 seconds, change to 0, but ending, easy ease to smooth end, play like this. And go to shape layer 2, open, add trim paths, so expand trim path, starting After 1 second 15 frames, stopwatch. Go to 2 seconds 15 frame, make motion, and right click, easy, play now, here. Select both keyframes, play, good. Close and close. Let's create, turn off, create the earth globe map in white color. Okay, double click. Let's import the world map. Let's find, double click. Here I have the earth map. Here, double click, drop to composition and press V for the move tool. Move to down, go to effect and presets. Right here, linear color key for removing the white color. Then remove the white edges. Right, matte choker. Then right here, fill effect, select white color. So right click, make pre-compose, make a group, set the name map, and double click, create another new solid in red, press OK, move it down, and go back to CNN logo motion, and select the map right here, CC sphere, double click, and go to lighting. Before going to lighting, you can turn off the red background. Apply CC sphere. Here is another kind of earth globe style. Go to shading, control the light, and go to radius, down, move here, radius, down, and let's animate. Go to rotation, animate from start. In 5 seconds, set 1, play, hairs. So I need the earth globe become behind of the CNN. Turn off the original photo and select, before selecting this, double click. Let's change the color a little bit, gray. Press OK. And control the lighting like this, diffuse like this. Okay, select the map. Before selecting the map, right click, create another new solid right here, globe mask. No matter which color you want to select, press OK and turn off. Select the pen tool, mask this area. Turn on, select the map, press F4 for track matte. Select, before selecting, let's parent web tool, globe mask. Select the map, move here. Here is behind of the CNN. Okay, after CNN, press P for the position. In 1 second, become from CNN logo to here, and turn on, press F4, turn on the motion blur for all of them. Let's check. This is the CNN. The CNN motion is too much fast. Select press U and select this layer, press U. Little bit slow and slow. Play now. Render again. Select the map, press P for the position, and select keyframes start from the 2 seconds, and in 3 seconds right click, easy smooth motion. Then after 3 seconds, select the title right here. CNN, write enter, select all, change the font size. Turn off the font stroke and change the color. Enter national news. International news. Studio or international news. Television. Turn off the caps lock. Sit here. Let's change the font. And change the color little bit bright. Press OK. Move by down arrow keys and go to Effect and Presets. Right here, Typewriter. Drop on the title. Select your layer, press U for the keyframes. Select the start. Move the title start from the 3 seconds. The end is 4 seconds. Okay, fit your screen and render. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about how to create news logo motion in a different style. Have a good time. Don't forget to start the next part.